Good day. This is Suna Senman bringing you another reading of A Course in Love. This is the reading number 8. A Course in Love was brought to us by Marie Perron. She received A Course in Love just as Helen Schumann received A Course in Miracles from the same author 30 years before this one. We start with the last paragraph from the 7th reading again. What does it mean to believe in God? You recognize that you cannot know God in the same way in which you know another human being, and yet you keep seeking this type of knowing. Even with another human being, knowing what they stand for, what their truth is, what rules they obey, how they think and how what they think aligns with what they do is the essence of knowing them. God gave you the Word to know Him by. God gave you the Word made flesh as an example to live by. An example of living God. What more than this is necessary? You seek form when you already have content. Does this make any sense? You read about authors, what authors write, and feel that you know not only their character, but them as well. Yet you meet an author face to face, and you can seldom see in them what you saw in their writing. When you meet an author face to face, you view their form. When you read their words, you view their content. When you quit seeing with the ego's eyes, you quit seeing form and quit searching for it. You begin seeing content. Content is all you have of God. There is no form to see. Yet in the content is the form revealed. This is true seeing, for content is all and form is nothing. The content of God is love. Jesus embodied God by embodying love. He came to reverse the way God was thought of, to put an end to seeing God in human terms of vengeance, punishment, and judgment. Jesus did this not only by embodying God in human form, but by giving a true rather than false picture of power. Before the coming of the Word made flesh, the incarnation, the only idea humankind could draw on an all-powerful being was a being whose power resembled the powerful among them. Jesus took such a stand against those with this kind of power that he was put to death. But Jesus did not advocate for a powerless people. Jesus taught true power, the power of love, a power proven by the resurrection. Jesus united with the Christ in you is he who can teach you who you are and to live as you are in a new world. He can open heaven to you and walk you through its gates, there to exchange this world at last for your true home. But it is not your body that will pass through heaven's gates, nor your body's eyes that will view the new world. You will behold and take with you the view of physical world of dimension, shape, and scope like unto the old, and hope to transfer it from one place to another would be delusional. The new world does not have to do with form, but with content, a content that is transferable as an author's words upon a page. And with this, I want to share with you Peace, Discovering Life's Principles Through Humanity, because it is a book that is only half written. It is a book that offers perceptions and questions and such for you to write the book of the truth of yourself. This is a book that you can author and reveal the content of yourself. I will return to you tomorrow with the next portion of A Course of Love brought to us by Marie Perron. And now you will start a beautiful and blessed day. Enjoy today with love and blessings.